What's going on, guys? James for Wrestling Legends 3124 is back with your Money in the Bank review. So we started off Money in the Bank with SmackDown's Money in the Bank match. Great match, really great match. I was into it. We had Sheamus putting Sin Cara through ladder, breaks the ladder in half. Sin Cara was taken to the back on the stretcher. But we had Daniel Bryan winning SmackDown's Money in the Bank. So congratulations to Daniel Bryan. I give it 4 stars for the match. Hopefully WWE doesn't screw this up for Daniel Bryan. Hopefully they'll let him win a World Heavyweight Championship or WWE Championship. I will get to that dream match in a little bit. But again, congratulations to Daniel Bryan. My pick was Bray Wyatt, but really happy for Daniel Bryan to win. This is a great match for him, or win for him, and great push for him. So next we had was the Divas Championship match, Kayla Keller versus Brie. Yeah, okay, nothing special, except for the Divas itself. Anyway, moving on to the Big Show versus Mark Henry match. Pretty okay matchup. We had Mark Henry beating the Big Show, which I predicted Mark Henry to win anyway, and I picked Kayla Keller to retain. So, well, anyway, I'll give the Mark Henry versus Big Show match, I'll give it 2 stars. It was okay. And we had Mark Henry putting the steel chair on Big Show's leg and splashing down on it. So Big Show be taking a break for a while, guys. So then we had was Raw's Money in the Bank. And we had Alberto Del Rio winning Raw's Money in the Bank. Another great matchup, guys. Could have went either way, but we could have had Rey Mysterio winning, but Del Rio pulls his mask off and throws him off the ladder. So Alberto Del Rio wins Raw's Money in the Bank. I'll give it 4 stars for that one as well. Then we had was the World Heavyweight Championship match, Christian versus Randy Orton. And if Orton got disqualified or the ref made a bad call, Christian was a beaten World Heavyweight Champion. And that is what happened, guys. Orton got himself disqualified, and Christian spits in his face, and Orton just low blows Christian. So the ref had to disqualify Orton. Orton, just completely goes nuts. He smashes on Christian with a TV monitor turned down, RKOs him through the announce table. So Christian is your World Heavyweight Champion for the 2nd time. So congratulations to Christian as well. I'll give it 3.5 stars for the match. It was pretty good. So to the end of it, gets disqualified, but anyway, hopefully we get a long Christian title reign. So we'll see how it goes. Then we got the main event of the night. Probably the match of the night. But we had a lot of great matches on the card, but we had CM Punk versus John Cena for the WWE Championship. This match went back and forth, but we finally had CM Punk hitting the GTS on John Cena to become WWE Champion. And then I thought Alberto Del Rio was going to cash it in, but before the bell could ring or anything, Punk goes through the crowd, blows Vince McMahon a kiss bye as he walks out of his hometown Chicago, your new WWE champion. Hopefully, like I said with the dream match, hopefully we do get it between Daniel Bryan versus CM Punk for the WWE Championship. Hopefully we will get that match. It will be a great match, no doubt. But anyway, guys, what a great pay-per-view. And I give the Cena and CM Punk match 4.5 stars. What a great pay-per-view. Pay-per-view overall. Money in the Bank was, I'll give it a solid 9 out of 10. It was really great, guys. Way better than last year's Money in the Bank. So I can't say that it was. Well, it looked like it's going to be pay-per-view of the year, of this year. We'll have to see how the other pay-per-views goes. But anyway, guys, what a great pay-per-view. And CM Punk is your new WWE champion. Again, watch out for the rivalry. Maybe Daria finally catches it in or something. We'll see how the whole Punk storyline goes. Until next time, guys. Peace. Take care. God bless. And I'll catch you in the Raw review.